What is financial freedom and why is it so desirable? Financial freedom offers many appealing benefits, like the freedom to travel, spend more time with family, pursue hobbies and passions, and not be stuck in a job you dislike just to pay the bills. So, how can the average person achieve this coveted financial freedom? The key is assets. Assets are investments that put money in your pocket month after month and year after year. There are many different types of assets like real estate, stocks, bonds, businesses, commodities, and more. Welcome back to Prosperity Pulse Point. Today we'll be exploring the top 7 assets that can make you financially free to never have to work again if you use them correctly. And if you want to know the most lucrative asset, be sure to stick around to the end of the video. The first powerful asset for achieving financial freedom is business ownership. Building a profitable business that runs without you is one of the surest ways to create substantial passive income. With a business, you put in the hard work up front to get it running smoothly. Then you can sit back and collect checks every month without having to actively work in the business. Owning a business allows you to scale your income potential far beyond what you could earn by yourself. And if structured properly, you can build a valuable company that keeps generating money even if you retire or sell the business. But how do you actually start and grow a business? First, you need an idea or model for a business. This should be something based on a need in the marketplace, or a new innovation, or improvement on an existing product or service. Once you have your concept, you need to validate that people would actually pay for it. Then carefully research your target market and competitors to form your business plan. The key next steps are to line up any financing needed, develop your offerings, set up the legal structure, hire help if needed, and launch the business. Work tirelessly to acquire customers, prove your model, and optimize operations. If you build a scalable business with momentum, you can expand to multiply sales, profits, and ultimately, passive income. The second powerful asset for achieving financial freedom is real estate. Real estate investing, especially rental properties, can provide passive income streams that keep flowing independently of your time. There are several real estate investment models to pursue, like fixing and flipping houses, acquiring rental properties, real estate syndication, REIT investing, and more. The primary options are investing in residential properties like houses and apartment buildings, and commercial properties like office spaces, retail centers, warehouses, etc. To make money in real estate, you aim to generate ongoing cash flow by renting properties to tenants, ideally with the rent exceeding your costs. You can also build equity over time as the property values increase, then profit from the sale when you eventually sell the properties. Real estate allows you to leverage your investment through mortgages and scale your holdings. The key is buying properties strategically at good prices, enhancing their value through upgrades and repairs, filling vacancies with quality tenants, and managing the properties well. This takes research, financial planning, and hands-on work initially. But over time, you can build a portfolio of real estate assets that provide growing passive income with little daily management required. The third type of asset that can make you financially free is paper assets like stocks, bonds, mutual funds, certificates of deposit, and more. These are essentially securities representing part ownership of a company or entity, or a debt owed by them. With paper assets like stocks and funds, you aim to generate passive income through the assets steadily appreciating in value and/or paying dividends over time. For instance, blue chip stocks tend to increase in value over many years and also pay dividends every quarter. Through wise investing, you allow the long-term compound growth and reinvested dividends to make your money work for you. Bonds function as loans, whereby you earn interest on your capital throughout the bond term. Low-risk bonds generally pay modest interest, while riskier high-yield bonds pay higher interest rates. You construct a balanced portfolio selecting smart mixtures of stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and other paper assets. Over decades of ongoing contributions and reinvesting earnings, a diverse portfolio can grow steadily into a sizable nest egg. Now let's talk about an asset you already have: your time. Your personal time and how you spend it can have a dramatic impact on building your wealth and achieving financial freedom. Managing your time wisely and directing it toward high-value activities is crucial. You can optimize your time by identifying your most important goals, eliminating or outsourcing less critical tasks, blocking your calendar to focus on high-impact activities without distractions, and cutting out time wasters. Look at how you currently spend your time and consider if those hours could be redirected to enriching pursuits. For example, take an hour each day to build your skills, reading or taking an online course. Use extra time to generate ideas for a side business, then work on it a few hours each night or weekend. Rather than relaxing in front of the TV for 5 hours, spend 3 of those hours learning about real estate investing and brainstorming ideas. Leverage your time to pursue wealth-building side projects. Another foundational asset that enables financial freedom is your health. Simply put, money doesn't mean much without having good health to enjoy it. Safeguarding your physical and mental health allows you to continue diligently building assets and working toward your goals. Don't neglect sleep, diet, exercise, stress management, and mental health. They are all investments in your future. Living healthfully also saves you substantial money on healthcare costs in the future. Get regular checkups to catch issues early when they are most treatable. Have tests run to determine any lurking risk factors and address them proactively through lifestyle changes. Staying vigorous and mentally sharp lays the groundwork for years of productive life. Invest in yourself by eating nourishing whole foods, regularly exercising, learning ways to manage stress, and cultivating supportive relationships. Find activities and hobbies that recharge you mentally and reduce stress. Protect your health, and you'll be rewarded with the energy you need to build financial freedom. Next, let's examine online assets. The internet and tech revolution have created many new asset classes you can leverage to earn passive income. Online assets represent intangible investments like websites, mobile apps, digital information products, online courses, YouTube channels, affiliate marketing programs, and more. These online assets share some key advantages. You can build them with just your laptop, get them up and running quickly, and sell them to a global audience. Once created, they can generate mostly passive income streams with minimal ongoing work needed by you. Types of online income include advertising, digital product sales, subscriptions, and freemium models. For instance, build a website in an evergreen niche you're passionate about, then monetize it with Google AdSense and affiliate programs. Create video courses teaching your unique skills to sell on your site or Udemy. Build a portfolio of niche websites targeting specific keywords and earning income from advertisements. An online asset empire can fund your financial freedom. Finally, let's look at the assets of networking and building a personal brand. Expanding your professional and social network allows you to find new opportunities and get insider information about lucrative projects in the works. Your network is your net worth. Nurture genuine, mutually beneficial relationships with successful people in your field and community. Also, focus on building a strong personal brand that opens doors and attracts inbound opportunities. Establish yourself as an authority via content creation and public speaking. Be known as trustworthy, high quality, and elite in your niche. Combine networking and personal branding to build social capital that can catapult your income while requiring less and less active work on your part. People gladly refer others to those with reputations of excellence. There you have it. 7 assets with the potential to make you financially free for life. Each requires initial effort and mastery, but can produce lasting returns. Which of these assets resonates with you most? Brainstorm starting points for how you could begin acquiring each asset. Financial freedom is achievable for those who put in the groundwork. Now is the time to plant those seeds.